Hey everybody, Looks into Swirl here, new day, new cup project. I was so impressed by the Mr. Nola's glitter from the latest Wanderlust box. This is the one I can't pronounce. Pyrope? I don't know. But anyway, it is a gorgeous red. I mean, look at that sparkle under resin. Just gorgeous. So what I want to do is I want to put it on a cup. And I don't want to start by spray painting. I'm just going to see how this looks. We're start naked, stainless steel. It has been washed with alcohol. I am not going to sand it. For those of you who insist you have to sand, that's great. You do you. I'm not going to sand this one. I am going to mix up about 30 milliliters of resin. I'm going to use my new Mixed Media Girls resin just to see how it behaves with glitter and alcohol ink in it. So I'll mix up 30 milliliters, 15 milliliters of part A, 15 milliliters of part B. Stir it up for 4 minutes till it's good and clear and no wispies left in it. Then I will mix in some drops of Woody's Goodies Shirley Temple because I think that will match this red beautifully. And once I've mixed the alcohol ink in, then I will pour in a glitter, stir it up. I don't want to use a crap ton. I want enough to get good coverage, but I don't want to use so much that it's all lumpy on the cup because that defeats the purpose of doing it this way. Sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. All right, so it took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do with this cup next. We have a nice smooth surface, but it's not ready to just put a decal on and finish up with another coat of resin. I think that it needs more than that. All personal preference. If you wanted to finish it up at this point with some vinyl or a printable vinyl decal and be done with it, totally up to you. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna mix up about 30 milliliters of KS. I think I'm gonna use the liquid stone. I think I'm gonna go for it. So the KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV, split it off into 4 little cups. Into each cup I will mix a color. This is silver holographic additive from the Glitter Guy. And then these are 3 vivid Holo Micas from Island Micas and More. We have Jade, Forest, and Peridot. So 3 different greens. And I'm going to kind of sort of try a hatching method on here. I'm not very good at it, but I'm gonna give it a shot. And then, after everything's on that I've just talked about, if I feel it needs a little extra something, I am going to add some Glitter Chimp Griswold Chunky Mix. This is my all-time favorite Christmas glitter, because I look at this and I just think Christmas. It's got red and green and it's got all the lights in hollow. It's beautiful. So I may sprinkle a little bit of that on at the end if I think it'll help. So I'm gonna get geared up, sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, I think this turned out pretty darn nice. I love the decorations from the Griswold glitter at the top and the bottom. I like the hatching. I'm very happy with how this looks. It needs another layer of resin, at least one. However, in order to put the decal on, I went ahead and sanded the spot I want to use lightly, very lightly, so I have a smooth surface now. It's going to be vinyl, so the fact that it's sanded won't matter. I went with some artwork that looks like this. It says, "Let's get lit." This is printable vinyl. This is my favorite Nito brand printable vinyl. You are going to see this after the beginning of December, and for me, today is the last day of November, so I don't know what the December special might be, if there's a sale or a discount code or anything. So as soon as I know it, I will go down to the comments section of this video and I will put it there next to the link. The link will be there anyway to get to the printable vinyl on the Nito website. If there's a discount code, you'll find that down there. I just don't know what it is right now at the time of filming. However, I am not going to use the words. I'm just going to use the bubs. And for the words, I'm going to use adhesive vinyl. So I'm going to put this right in the middle. Cool. In case anyone was wondering what I did the hatching with, it is one of these silicone tipped brushes. They're called silicone brushes. I have a whole set of them in different shapes. I will link to this below. Off the L, like that. And then the green one, I don't need the knife, comes right off the GE. Like that. Okay, so here's what's going to happen next. I am going to tack all of this vinyl, the printed and the adhesive, down with UV resin, and after it cures, I'm going to come back and I'm going to put a layer of epoxy resin with my Marabou rainbow alcohol ink mixed into it over the entire cup, and then it will be time for the big reveal. Hopefully we'll have the sunshine for that. So next time you see it, we'll be in the sun. Here we go.